Hi there, welcome to this week's video on improving your English vocab with news headlines. Let's have a look. This week's headline is from BBC News. Let's read it. How IKEA tweaked its products to woo India's shoppers. IKEA launched in India in 2018 in the southern city of Hyderabad. The Swedish retail giant is slowly adapting to one of the world's most complex furniture markets. In this video, we're going to look at the verbs to tweak, to woo, and to launch. And we're also going to look at the possessive apostrophe. When you tweak something, you pinch it, which means holding it between your finger and thumb, and give it a twist. Here, the word tweak means to change something a little in order to improve it, to make it more effective or more suitable. For example, if you're writing a report and you ask a colleague for their opinion, they might say, "You just need to tweak the last paragraph and then it's done." IKEA made some small changes to their products for the Indian market. The old-fashioned use of the verb to woo a woman, has the meaning of a man giving a woman a lot of attention because he wants her to agree to marry him. In this headline, woo means that IKEA was trying to persuade Indian shoppers to buy its products. Can you think of a synonym for woo? Here are a couple. You could say to attract or to charm. Or you could also use to appeal to. Did you get any? Next, to launch. This verb means to start a venture such as a business or to promote a new product and make it available to buy. But here's the thing. Launch is a word that is often mispronounced. Let's practice the pronunciation. Launch. Then how would you pronounce this sentence? Try to say it. That's good. IKEA launched in India in 2018 in the southern city of Hyderabad. Finally, let's look at the use of the possessive apostrophe. The possessive apostrophe substitutes the word of to show possession. It's used mainly to refer to things owned by people, but it can also be used in other cases. Do you know when? Well, we use it for time expressions such as what happened at yesterday's meeting? And also for countries and cities. India's shoppers. One of the world's most complex furniture markets. You can see that the apostrophe, followed by S, replaces the meeting of yesterday, the shoppers of India, and so on. And here is one more example of the possessive apostrophe with a difference. Look at the example. What do you notice? That's right. When the noun is plural, the apostrophe follows the S. So, 4 things to remember. How to use the verbs to tweak and to woo, the pronunciation of the word launch, and the use of the possessive apostrophe. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time.